Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Scraptember, a video a day, and also Learning is an Adventure YouTube hop. And Laura Scraps and Natalie Bowers is part of Scraptember, and then Sarah Scraps did a YouTube hop regarding back to school. And so what I decided to do, and everything will be linked down below. So what I decided to do was that I wanted to do this globe and do something a little bit fun with it. And so here I am, I'm gluing it down. Now, I'm just going to give you a little bit of an FYI. I am chatting with another friend, Scrapping Amy, and we're video chatting. So you may see the paper kind of go up and down. And that's what we're doing. So I love technology. Some days I hate it, but I do love technology because we get to do things like this. But I'm super excited to be with part of this YouTube hop and then also Scraptember. So everybody make sure that you check down below for all of the inspiration that you will get today, not only for Scraptember, but also this YouTube hop, and then anybody else that is doing like a Scraptember type thing. So there's my blog, my little talking, I guess. And so here I am. I forgot kind of where I was going to place these at. And I finally got everything started. And so I do a little bit of this on camera. And then I do turn it off and I get myself set up. So what I am doing here is that I put this down flat for this globe. And then I am using my dimensionals to pop up the back pieces to this cut file. So what I did was that if you're wanting to use the back pieces, you flip it. Some of the pieces didn't work and you'll see what I do to cover those up. But for the most part, all of these pieces fit. So you flip it. So like that piece that I put down is actually the back piece to the other side. You just flop them. And it works out pretty well. I didn't change the size or anything. You just put them down and you still see that it is a globe and you still see the lines that go through it, but it's the back pieces. And they match up pretty well. And there it is, I'm done. I just wanted to do a little bit on camera. So now those pieces that you see that I couldn't fit, you will see that I cover them up with the photo and a couple other things. I am so sorry for my voice. Yep, it's teacher life. It is at the finest moment of that. Welcome to that. So you may be hearing this all the year. I just got a chatty Matty group of kids this year. Welcome to Chatty Matties and teaching. Yep, 46 kids that like to chat. Love it. So what I am working on right now is apparently just holding this down. So I'm sorry about that. So right now I am working on what I want embellished. So I did pull out my embellishments that I want. I am using the Hip Kit August collection. August kit. And so there is a lot in this and I love how this turns out. I will tell you that I do use a random piece and you guys are all going to laugh at me like, really? You guys, yep, and I used it, and I absolutely love how it looks. Kaylin loves that I added this piece, so I can't wait to see what you guys think, because I know for a fact I'm going to get tons of comments about this random piece of embellishment. And yes, I am giggling about it. I'm trying not to, but I can't wait to see what you guys think. So I know for a fact, leave me a comment. When I get to that random piece, you have to leave me a comment, because while I was talking to Amy about this, I literally stated I am going to use this on purpose. All because I know that the color matches, but this random piece of embellishment has absolutely nothing to do with this layout. So I just placed down little bits of the paper in the background. I didn't want to give it too much because I do a lot of embellishing. A lot of embellishments come into this because I just love how it turns out. I just loved all the pieces to this and it worked out wonderful. Now I will tell you that I do off camera white splatters and sequins and hearts, because I feel that a lot of what I did on camera was showing you kind of where I'm placing everything, so I didn't really glue everything down. And really, you guys all know how to back or do splatters for that part. Also know how to do white splatters, and then also know how to put sequins down. So I cut that part out. So I will tell you that I do that part off camera. So in the still shots at the end, you will see everything. I slow-mo the major layout so that you can see it, like the picture of the layout, so you can really see everything of it. So I hope that you are enjoying Scraptember. I hope that you enjoy all of this YouTube hop. If you are coming from the person above, welcome. If you're starting with me, make sure you start and go through everybody. There is going to be tons of inspiration today, and I absolutely love it. Just love it. So let's see here. So now I'm just getting this placed down. I just had to make sure that I had enough backing on it so that it didn't fall like in loops. So I start to put this down, and I just love how this part turned out. I just love this globe. I think it worked out perfect for everything. I do place down another little gold piece, and here I go in with my packages of flowers from Pink Paisley, Paige Evans, and I get that all placed down. And this all turns out, I start to pull little things, and this is from Pink Little Studio. Some of these little leaves and stuff that I add are that. And the title is going to be Best Moments. This is my daughter's first day of second grade, and she is very much into this goofy peace sign now at second grade. She loves unicorns. She loves just everything that she did for school today or for that particular day. And I just love it. I just love her personality, her sass, her everything. She is such a good kid, and I hope it stays that way. But I add these flowers, I add all these little bits. You start to see me play around with it, trying to get it all to work right. And I add that bird up on top, and no, that is not my random embellishment. So don't think that the bird is why I'm laughing so hard. That is not it. I will tell you that. So now I'm just going through, and we got some of this Office collection. Yeah, Office from Pink Fresh Studio, and it had a bunch of pencils and pens and rulers. And so that's how I tie in the back to school to this, is adding those little pencils and paper clips and that clock that I cover up anyway, and add just a little bit of color, because you'll see me come in with yay. My title to this is going to be Best Moment, because it is a best moment. She loves school, and I hope it stays that way. It probably won't, but there it is. There's my random embellishment. That chicken stays on. I am so excited. I leave that chicken on. So yeah, tell me in the comments down below what y'all think about that random chicken in my layout, because I know I'll get something. I'll probably get like 10 thumbs down because I put a random chicken on this layout, but the color matches, and it actually works out well. Kaylin loves the fact that I added that chicken to this layout. But the still shots will be coming up. Like I said, make sure that you check out everybody down below. A lot of people have joined the hop. Scraptember has its guest designer for today, along with checking out Natalie. Laura's part of the YouTube hop as well as Scraptember. And I hope that you guys have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon.